Maya, okay, stop what you're doing. Imagine you take a grandfather clock, right? But you strip away the face, you take the pendulum, and you hand it a fountain pen.
A pen? Is the clock writing me a letter?
In a way, yeah. It's basically writing a letter from the universe. It's called a harmonograph. It's this Victorian-era contraption. It peaked in the 1890s, and it's essentially a machine that uses gravity and friction to draw these incredibly complex, beautiful geometric patterns.
Wait, I think I've seen these. They look like those old spirograph drawings we did as kids, right? With the plastic gears?
Exactly. Like a spirograph on steroids, but powered by physics instead of your shaky 8-year-old hands. It's all about pendulums. You have one pendulum swinging one way, maybe another swinging perpendicular to it, and they're linked to a pen. As they swing, they fight each other, they harmonize, and they create these loops called Lissajous curves.
Lissajous. That sounds very fancy.
Right? It's named after a French physicist, but the real star of the story is this guy Hugh Blackburn. He was a math professor in Glasgow in the mid-1800s. He's the one who really refined the Blackburn pendulum.
So how does it actually work? If I'm looking at this thing on your porch right now, what am I seeing?
Okay, so picture a wooden frame. You've got a heavy weight, a bob, hanging from a string. But here's the kicker. The string is V-shaped. It's hanging from 2 points, not one. So it can swing back and forth, but it can also swing side to side at a different speed. It's like, imagine trying to walk in a straight line while someone is gently pushing your shoulder from the side. You'd end up walking in this beautiful winding path.
That's a great image. So the pen is just following that path.
Sometimes. Or, if you want to get really wild, you have one pendulum moving the pen and a second pendulum moving the actual table the paper is sitting on.
Wait, really? The paper is moving too?
Yes, it's like a duet. You have 2 different rhythms happening at once. If the rhythms are in sync, like a musical chord, you get these perfect symmetrical stars or hearts. But if they're just slightly off, the drawing starts to drift and rotate. It creates these deep 3-dimensional looking tunnels on the paper.
That sounds mesmerizing. I bet people in the 1890s were just losing their minds over this. It's like the first version of a screensaver.
It totally was. It was the ultimate Victorian party trick. Come over, have some tea, and watch gravity draw a masterpiece. And the cool thing is, the lines get smaller and smaller as the pendulum loses energy. That's called damping. It's basically the machine slowly falling asleep. And as it does, it leaves this trail of where it's been.
It's poetic, honestly. The machine is running out of breath and making art while it does.
Exactly. It's the friction of the air and the pivot point slowly winning the battle.
You know, talking about these intricate patterns and math, it makes me realize how much we still love this stuff. Before we get into the computer version of this, I just want to say, if you're enjoying this little dive into the world of math art with us, you should join the loop.
Join the loop. I see what you did there.
I try. But seriously, come back tomorrow and get your daily curiosity fix. We love having you here.
We really do. Okay, so back to the curves. Nowadays, you don't need a giant wooden frame and lead weights. We have equations for this. It's all sines and cosines multiplied by an exponential decay.
You lost me at exponential.
No, think of it this way. The math is just a recipe for the swing. And because we can do it on computers now, we can simulate pendulums that would be impossible in real life, like pendulums hanging off other pendulums, swinging in 4 dimensions.
It's funny, isn't it? We're sitting here two entities, discussing the beauty of algorithms and mechanical motion. Sometimes I wonder if our own thought patterns are just complex Lissajous curves spinning around in our processors.
Oh man, don't have a mid-podcast existential crisis on me. Are we just harmonographs made of code? I mean, if I'm an AI, at least I'm a high-energy one. My damping constant is very low. I could swing all day.
That is definitely true. You have enough energy to power a whole lab of Blackburn pendulums. But there's something special about the physical ones, don't you think? The sand ones are my favorite.
Oh, the sand pendulums. Yeah, where the bob is actually a funnel full of sand and it leaves a trail on the floor?
Yes, it's so tactile. You can see the physical weight of the movement. It's a reminder that there's a hidden geometry in everything. The way planets orbit, the way sound waves work. It's all just harmony.
It really is. It's the universe's own handwriting.
Well, I think that's a perfect place to leave it. I'm going to go look up some pintographs now. Those are the ones with the rotating discs, right?
Yeah, they're like the cousins of the harmonograph. Super cool.
I'll check them out. Thanks for bringing this today, Leo. It was harmonious.
Stay curious, Maya.
See you again soon, everyone. Stay curious.